Bounti AI has just been released, and it's making waves in the world of AI software. But before you jump in, there are 7 crucial things you need to know. Stay with me till the end, because I'll reveal some game-changing features that might completely transform how you approach your digital marketing or automation tasks. Plus, I'll let you know how you can try Bounti AI for free, so make sure you stick around. Now, let's dive right in. Bounti AI is an all-in-one platform designed to simplify and enhance digital marketing efforts. Whether you're a small business owner, a marketer, or just someone looking to optimize your online presence, Bounti AI can help you do it with ease. From automating tasks to providing deep insights into your performance, this tool promises to streamline processes that would normally take hours. The first thing you'll notice about Bounti AI is its user-friendly interface. This is not one of those complicated platforms where you need a degree in computer science to understand what's going on. Everything is neatly organized, so you can get to work right away. This makes it perfect for beginners and advanced users alike, allowing you to automate campaigns, track analytics, and optimize your online presence with just a few clicks. One of the standout features of Bounti AI is its advanced analytics dashboard. You can track key metrics from all your marketing campaigns in real time, and the AI automatically makes suggestions on how to improve performance. Whether you're running Facebook ads, Google ads, or any other marketing campaign, the AI will analyze your results and give you insights you can act on immediately. This is a huge time saver and allows you to make data-driven decisions with minimal effort. Another game changer is Bounti AI's automated content generation. If you're spending hours brainstorming blog posts, social media updates, or ad copy, you'll love this feature. The AI generates high-quality, SEO-optimized content in a matter of minutes. It can even adjust its tone and style based on your preferences, so you can stay true to your brand voice while saving time on content creation. Now, let's talk about integrations. Bounti AI supports integrations with most major platforms, including Shopify, WordPress, and Google Analytics. This makes it incredibly versatile and allows you to pull in data from all your existing systems, making the AI even smarter as it gets more input. The seamless integration ensures that you don't have to leave your current workflow, which is a huge plus for marketers who are already using a variety of tools. But the most impressive thing about Bounti AI is its predictive capabilities. The software doesn't just tell you what's happening now, it predicts what will happen in the future based on your data. It analyzes past trends, customer behaviors, and even competitors' actions to forecast what you should do next. This kind of foresight is invaluable in a fast-moving digital world, and it's one of the features that set Bounti AI apart from other tools. Another key feature that's worth mentioning is its personalized AI coaching. If you're new to AI or digital marketing, you might feel overwhelmed by all the options. But Bounti AI steps in with personalized tips and guidance, ensuring that you're making the most of the software's features. Think of it as having a marketing expert by your side, guiding you through every decision. Lastly, while Bounti AI offers a lot of powerful tools, it also offers excellent customer support. If you run into any issues or have questions about any of the features, you can reach out to their support team and they'll walk you through solutions. This level of customer service is critical, especially when you're using a new piece of software. So what's the takeaway here? Bounti AI is packed with features designed to make digital marketing easier, more efficient, and more effective. It's the kind of tool that can save you hours each week while also delivering smarter insights and results. And if you're wondering how to get started, the good news is you can try Bounti AI completely free by clicking the first link in the description below. I've tested thousands of AI tools, and Bounti AI stands out because of its versatility, ease of use, and its ability to adapt to your needs. But don't just take my word for it. Check out the free trial for yourself and see if it's the right fit for your business. And before you go, I've also included a list of my recommended AI software in the description that you can try for free. These are tools I've personally used and tested, so you know they're top tier. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.